Hi, welcome to my channel Tarot Queen 777. If you want to contact me for a personalized reading, the details are given in the description box. Let's check for relationships for Cancer from 31st of May to 6th of June. So, definitely new beginnings in relationships. If you're already in a committed relationship, this could be the week where things are looking up. There's a need to be creative, find new ways and new ideas in which you can get along with each other. There's a certain kind of escapism, certain kind of not seeing things the way they are, probably fantasizing, probably overthinking things. Again, that same energy is showing in the Seven of Cups. There's a need to there is a kind of fantasy world. You've gone into a fantasy world where you're fantasizing about your loved one. Definitely your manifestations will take root, and there might be a little bit of sorrow for those in complicated relationships. There might be disappointments as things might not turn out the way you want. As you sow, so shall you reap. Karma will catch up this week. You will see the results of all that you have sown in the past. There's a need, as the Page of Cups shows, to exchange messages of love, maybe love letters, maybe emails of love. There might be arguments for some people, Five of Wands. There might be discord, disappointment, conflict, a little stuckness. There is a desire for creativity and to kind of explore things further. And there might be a certain kind of stuckness despite everything, maybe because you're overthinking things, maybe because you're giving deep thought to your relationship, whether you're in a complicated relationship, whether you're married or whether you're single. Maybe you're just overthinking things and kind of just exploring things in your mind, but that may not translate completely into your into your reality. So there's a need to kind of embrace reality. If you can do that this week, then things will look better and you will be able to face facts for what they are. Now let's check for Cancer for career from 31st of May to 6th of June. Okay, things are looking good career wise. There's a little bit of foraging on new grounds. Nine of Cups, a time of networking. Friends will reach out to you and things will look good. What's crossing is Ace of Swords, so there's a need to be practical and take control of the situation completely. And there's a need to put your trust in the process, and a need to be further committed. Maybe there's a certain kind of dissatisfaction with the way things are going, but and there's a certain kind of stuckness. There's a kind of dissatisfaction, a certain kind of stuckness, but there's definitely a commitment to a better future. Network properly and things will look good. There might be emotional extravagancy of passion and enthusiasm, so there is a need to curb that. With the blessings of your authority figures in your life, your career is going to look up, and there might be a few stressful times, but as the Eight of Swords shows, but things are likely to look all in all good for Cancer from 31st of May to the 6th of June. If you want to contact me for a personalized reading, you can contact me in the details given in the description box. Thank you very much.